Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are safe at home. Let's start our class with a prayer. Okay, let's start our subject, chemistry. Let's start with an interesting chapter, chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. We know that different substances have different taste. For example, what's the taste of lemon juice? Yes, it tastes sour. What is the taste of sugar? It tastes sweet. So, different substances have different taste. I think all of you are familiar with baking soda. What is baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. It's mainly used for baking foods, that is cakes, cookies and other baked products. What's the taste of baking soda? It tastes bitter. It's bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. First of all, we have to write the taste of some edible substances. Lemon juice. What's the taste? Lemon juice is sour. Orange juice, it is sour. Vinegar, also sour in taste. Curd, sour. Baking soda, it is bitter. Tamarind, sour. Common salt, salty. One more, amla. As it is, it's bitter in taste. Bitter. Okay? Here, some substances have sour in taste and other bitter, salty. Some substances like lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, etc. shows sour in taste. Sour in taste. What's the reason? These substances contain acids. These substances contain acids. So, the chemical nature of these substances is said to be acidic. These are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Other substance, the baking soda is bitter in taste. Amla, bitter in taste. What's the reason? These are not acids. These are not acids. These are bases. These are bases. The chemical nature of this is said to be basic. Basic in nature. We know that baking soda tastes bitter. Tastes bitter. It has no acids in it. It has no acid. But if you rub its solution between your fingers, it feels soapy. Soapy. These are the characters of base. We studied acids are sour in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. We cannot taste every substance. At that time, it's difficult to find its nature. There are special type of substances. These substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators or indicators. What are indicators? These are special type of substances used to find out whether a solution is acidic or basic. These are indicators. A special type of substances used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. For example, litmus paper, China rose, phenolphthalein, turmeric. There are some examples for indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing acidic or basic substances. The commonly used indicator is litmus. It's a natural indicator. It's obtained from lichens. Lichens. It's available in the form of paper strips or in the form of solution. It changes its color When it is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. For acidic substances, it turns red, and for basic substances, it turns blue. Today, we discussed acids, bases, and indicators. Now, there's an assignment for you. Try to write the difference between acids and bases. Difference between acids and bases. Now, let's wind down today's class. Thank you.